everybody, it's your girl Aj back with another YouTube video. Y'all, I am coming to y'all with a makeup look, honey, from the brand that is the star of this show today, and that's Mented Cosmetics, honey. Yes, get into it, okay? So y'all, I got the Mented Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and right now, the lipstick. This is the lipstick in Mented number 5, and this is the eyeshadow palette. Lip, eye. Okay, get into it. Now, y'all, if y'all don't know much about Mented Cosmetics, it is a black-owned company, so you already know what y'all need to do. The link is below. Go ahead and make you a purchase. But I have created this. I feel like it can be either or, daytime or nighttime look. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But it's very super easy, y'all. Their eyeshadows are super pigmented. They go on very easily, and the lipstick, y'all, this got to be made with like shea butter or something, because it is so soft. Oh my goodness, it's so soft, and it's like creamy. It's not drying. Like, it feels great, and it's pigmented. It's pigmented too. Like, I didn't have to put much on. Like, a little goes a long way. So these are gonna last you for a while. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Like, with the palette, you can do a ton of looks. Like, this gives you the ability to go daytime, nighttime, real heavy or real light, you know, like natural. Like, almost, you can even really do like one of those no makeup looks with this, which just gave me an idea that may be my next look that I may try. I'm gonna try to do this, and this is for pretty much anybody of any shade, like whether you're light or whether you're deep complected, or, you know, everybody can get into these colors. It's perfect, y'all. Their lipsticks, everybody can get into those colors. They have a ton of other lipsticks on their website as well, so check them out, okay? And also, this was my first time in this video. Speaking of black-owned company, cosmetic companies, Fenty Beauty, honey. This is my first time using her concealer, her Pro Filter concealer, and I must say that I do like it. I really do. So it glides on so smooth, and it's like thick. Well, it's not like thick where it's like cakey. It's like thick enough where it gives you some pigment, where it gives you like some coverage. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling and let y'all get into the video. Let me know what y'all think. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all. God love y'all and keep y'all forever. I'll see y'all next time.